Do you want to know the secrets that no advisor is telling real estate investors and business owners? In this video, we will explain how real estate investors and business owners can and should protect and grow their wealth nearly tax-free so they can become a capitalist as soon as possible. Capitalist, a person who manages and invests capital for profit that is used for living expenses. The first nearly tax-free secret you need to know about is retirement plans. You can defer taxes on income you earn from your business and on the growth of that income when invested, when you earmark that income and its growth for retirement, which you can do by putting it into a qualified retirement plan. When you take distributions from your retirement plan, they will be treated as taxable income, which is the trade-off for not paying taxes on the income you use to fund your retirement plan. But despite the taxes due on the distributions, you still want to maximize the use of retirement plans because the tax benefits of doing so are too good to pass up and will help you become a capitalist much quicker. The second nearly tax-free secret that you need to know about is real estate. There are two types of economic benefit when you invest in real estate: growth and income. You can defer taxes on investment real estate growth, referred to as capital gain, so long as you keep that money invested in real estate. I do not describe the growth part of the second secret as tax-free because you could decide to sell the property, take the money out, and pay the tax. For this reason, I call it tax-deferred, but with the use of exchanges that the tax can be deferred indefinitely. You can also shelter taxes on real estate income by taking a depreciation expense deduction. If you take advantage of cost segregation, the depreciation expense, which is not an expense you actually pay, but just a paper loss that the government allows you to take on your tax return, it will be approximately equal to the income and therefore, you will pay very little, if any, tax. I do not describe the income part of the second secret as tax-free because you could end up paying a small tax. Instead, I refer to this as tax-sheltered. The third nearly tax-free secret that you need to know about is index funds. You can defer taxes on stock growth so long as you continue to own the stock. When you sell a stock, you have to pay taxes on the profit. But if you invest in an index fund, which is a mutual fund that tracks an index, there will be very little turnover and therefore less taxation. For this reason, an index fund is likely to pay next to nothing in taxes. I do not describe this third secret as tax-free because you could end up paying a very small tax. Instead, I refer to this as tax-efficient. At Sollertis, we help our clients implement these three secrets and specify the details that matter when it comes to getting the maximum return and benefit. We're not just lawyers. We facilitate our clients partnering with the best financial strategy and tax advisors who are doing things a regular CPA or accountant is just not going to think of and surely not going to implement with precision. With our expertise in this area, we work alongside these advisors. And if you have existing advisors, even better, so that you can be on your way to becoming a capitalist sooner rather than later. If protecting your assets is important to you, consult with an asset protection attorney at Sollertis to speak about the many aspects of your investments and trusts, your entity structures, and your businesses. Sollertis is a law firm in Rancho Santa Fe, California, with attorneys licensed in California, Florida, Michigan, New York, North Carolina, and Texas, and a nationwide network of attorneys helping people across all states. Sollertis clients are primarily real estate investors and business owners looking to grow and protect their wealth. Our legal team combines superior expertise and years of experience to help our clients plan, implement, and maintain protection. We can guide you through the intricacies of crafting a master asset protection plan and help you make an informed decision regarding the best approach to protect and preserve your assets for yourself and your future generations. There are many asset protection tools available to protect your assets. Remember, asset protection is like insurance. It doesn't work unless you have it in place before the claim. So, don't wait until it is too late to do this. You have been working very hard for a long time to build your wealth. Pull your winnings off the table by protecting them now. Take the first step today and reach out to the experts in asset protection at Sollertis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about how you can best protect your assets.